Isa sa masasabing matatagumpay at mahusay na aktres ay si Jody Santa Maria. Hindi lamang siya kilala pagdating sa pag-arte at mga box office na movie pati na rin teleserye, ay kilala din si Jody Santa Maria sa advocacy ng pag-aaral. Kaya naman marami ang natuwa at na-inspire sa kanila. At isa na nga dito ay si Bella Padilla na tuwang-tuwa sa achievement na meron si Jody Santa Maria. Ayon kay Bella, "You're so inspiring, Tita Jody. Always, always will be your fan." Sa Instagram kasi ay pinost si Jody Santa Maria na marami na siyang natapos at magagamit nga niya ang mga natutunan niya na ito upang makapagturo. Isa sa ipinakita ni Jody Santa Maria ay ang kanyang certification sa Positive Psychology Coach. At doon ay makikita ng sobrang seryoso ni Jody sa kanyang ginagawa. Ayon sa kanya, "Now here I am, a certified positive psychology coach." Kwento niya, "When God plants a dream in your heart, it's never by accident. It's His gentle reminder that you're made for more, that your steps are guided, and that even in the waiting or the struggles, He is shaping you for the promise. Hold on, trust the process, and keep moving forward because what He begins in you, He intends to complete." Sabi ni Lala Flores, "You are so inspiring as always. The changed lives you touch are simply amazing. God has prepared you for this path long time ago." Sabi naman ng isang netizen, "I'm still in the process of achieving my dream and I know that bit by bit, I'll definitely get there. The same way you do, ate. There may be times when I question my path, but I believe every direction has a purpose until I finally reach my dream. Thank you, ate. You are one of my inspirations." Sabi pa ng isa, "You're an inspiration, Miss Jody. I'm a graduate of BS Psychology last 2010 and took up Masters in Psychology from 2011 to 2013. But life happened and I wasn't able to finish my MA degree. I'm now a HR practitioner, but every now and then I feel the desire to finish my Masters even if I have to go back to square one. Hopefully next year I'll be able to enroll and finish my MA, God's willing." Sa puntong ito, hindi lamang achievement para kay Jody Santa Maria ang magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng pag-aaral at certification, kundi nagiging inspirasyon siya sa mga taong nangangarap din na someday ay matapos din sila sa pag-aaral.